fascinated with spice blends. Here's a beauty of one. So this is my curry blend. Curries are, so different no matter where you live. But this is the one I just developed for myself, and you can change it how you like. Okay, so we're going to start with turmeric. There's 2 tablespoons or 30 mils of turmeric. So I'm just going to add everything into this bowl. Then we have coriander. That's a tablespoon, 15 mils of coriander. This is 15 mils of fenugreek, so 1 tablespoon. This is 1 tablespoon, 15 mils of cardamom. And 1 tablespoon, 30 mils of mustard. 1 teaspoon, 5 mils of cayenne. 1 teaspoon, 5 mils of mace. And a half a teaspoon, 2.5 mils of pepper, just regular pepper. So we're gonna just stir this up. And this I use in a lot of things, like my stir-fry sauce. I put it in soups and stews and rice and my own curries. So this you put into an airtight jar and you keep in your cupboard for a long time. And you use to taste, okay? So a tablespoon or 3 tablespoons, whatever you want to do. And it just adds a very nice, beautiful, warming flavor to your meals. And it has a ton of health benefits. I hope that inspires you.